Come back, guys, huh? You've had a good extended break, huh? Let's do it again. Can I hear from you? Yes. So, great. I'm able to hear from you. Great, guys. Welcome back to the class. I hope you have had a great cup of coffee or tea. Huh? Great, great, great. Good to hear from you. So, all of you, huh? A yes or a no from your side would be good for me. Hmm? Yeah, good, good, good. So, meaning everyone is back. Great. So, I can see that. Good evening, everyone, huh? So, yeah, hello, Sadhna. Good. I think, Sadhna, you give great answers. I'm aware of it. Right. So now let's continue this. So, guys, just just waiting for everyone so that we can think about other things as well, huh? Rahul, just don't worry, huh? Parul, don't worry. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to come back to the formula things. Don't worry, okay? People got bored, and that's the reason I have to come back. All right. Great. So everyone is around, centers and people around. So just yes from your side would be yes. Good, good. Most of you are here, right? Good. So now we got to know the meaning. The meaning of HCF, isn't it? So HCF is unique. Something really important now. HCF is a common factor which has the highest value, isn't it? A common factor having the highest value, isn't it? And then you realize that common factor between two numbers or three numbers or more numbers would actually be generally be less than those numbers, isn't it? Generally be less than those numbers, right? So then let's talk about LCM. Now please, least common multiple. Okay, least common multiple. Let's talk about it. So so waiting. Yes, we should start. Thank you so much, Diksha. Thanks a lot. Anurag, this glove is basically for writing on this writing pad. If I don't have a glove now, so in that case, probably I won't be able to write on the writing pad, right? So that's the reason, Anurag, I wear this glove. So it's not that I need to wear it or something. Okay. Now listen to me. Listen to me. So Anurag has two girlfriends, girlfriend one and girlfriend two. All right. Anurag has two girlfriends, girlfriend one and girlfriend two. So girlfriend one calls Anurag after every 5 minutes. Oh my god, Anurag, huh? After every 5 minutes. And girlfriend two calls Anurag after every 7 minutes. So my question to you is, when will Anurag get call from both of them simultaneously? When will Anurag get call from both of them simultaneously? Huh, Anurag? Present, good, Abdul, wonderful. So the question is, Anurag has two girlfriends, girlfriend one, girlfriend two. Girlfriend one calls after every 5 minutes, girlfriend two calls after every 7 minutes. So when will Anurag get call from both of them simultaneously? And what will Anurag do? Anurag, what do you say, huh, man? Anurag says 35, huh? Good, good. Mohammad Iqbal, good. Great, Rahul, huh? Great. So what would happen is, guys, you have to understand this a very simple concept of multiples, common multiples. Yeah, 35 minutes. And so I think most of you are actually wrong. So what happens is, girlfriend 1, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. She will keep on calling after 5 minutes. God bless you, Anurag. And girlfriend 2, 7 minutes, 14 minutes, 21, 28, 35, and so on. Again, keeps on calling. And we realize at 35 minutes, he would get call from both of them simultaneously. But at 70 minutes also, he would get call from both of them simultaneously. At 105 minutes also, he would get call from them simultaneously. At 140 minutes also, he would get call from both of them simultaneously. So if the calls keep on coming, he would keep on getting the calls at these numbers simultaneously. So at 35 minutes, at 70 minutes, at 105 minutes, at 145 minutes, and so on, he will keep on getting those calls simultaneously. These are all common multiples of 5 and 7. Guys, we have written common multiples of 5 and 7, and least among them, the minimum out of those common multiples would be the least common multiple. Is it okay? Anurag, is it fine? It's a good example to understand, isn't it? 35 and more numbers. Kshitij, Manisha, I expected better thing, isn't it? You cannot say only 35. That would be the first time he would get the call, but he would keep on getting that call at 35, 70, 105, 140 and so on, isn't it? So these were all those minutes when he would keep on getting the calls. And then the least out of those common multiples is called least common multiple. So most of you, I hope you realize that least common multiple is actually a number bigger than the given numbers, generally bigger than the given numbers. And when we talked about HCF, I said generally less than the given numbers. Are you getting the point now? Huh? Are you getting the point now? See, huh? So if you realize that 5 and 7 common multiples are here, 35, 70, 105 and 140 and so on. So common multiple list will keep on going. These were common multiples. The smallest out of them was least common multiple. When I talk about HCF, highest common factor, 5 and 7, they don't have any common factor other than 1. So this was your highest common factor. So don't you get it? Least common multiples or common multiples are generally numbers bigger than the given numbers. And highest common factor is a number generally less than the given numbers. Are you getting this point or not? Isn't it? Hey, see, it's a good example, I hope. Huh? Yeah, Anurag, some advice has come from you. You should shut your phone down. Isn't it? Oh my God, huh? Got this idea? So remember, this is a real important point. So generally we mess it up wherever it is concerned about least. So we don't think about the lesser values. We always think about the bigger values. And when we talk about highest, we always think about the lower values. Got my point, guys? Is it perfect? Is it okay? So did you find the difference between highest common factor and least common multiple now? A yes or a no from your side would be good. Yeah, see? Generally it gets cleared up, na? Yeah. Good. So a yes or a no from your side would be good, guys. So now, can I write? Now I'm writing something. Common multiples are factors, common multiples are multiples of least common multiple. Isn't it? So if 35 was there as a least common multiple, so common multiples would be table of 35, 70, 105, 140, 175, isn't it? 210 and so on, 210 and so on. So you realize something, isn't it? Then point number 2, see, common multiples are multiples of least common multiple, isn't it? They are a multiple of least common multiple. There is no highest common multiple, isn't it? There is no highest common multiple. Why? Because this can go on till infinity. There is no highest common multiple. Suhail, this is a glove which helps me in writing on a board. Alright. Ahana, what's the problem? Ahana, it's very simple. Yeah. See what happened was that this Anurag was getting call from one of his girlfriends on these minutes. Ahana, alright. And the other one was calling on these minutes. So when would they call up simultaneously? See, 35. So what is 35? 35 is a multiple of 5 and 35 is a multiple of 7. So can I say 35 is a common multiple of 5 and 7? Anna? Isn't it? Does make some sense. Got it now? So there is no highest common multiple, because highest common multiple, if you are not given a range, I may ask a highest common multiple of two numbers. I may ask you what is the highest common multiple of 5 and 7 less than 200. Then you can answer. But if I do not give you range, there is no highest common multiple. Keep this thing in mind. There is no highest common multiple in that case. It would be infinity. Now let me know, guys, is it okay? Alright. Ahana, is it okay now? Good. Ahana, highest common factor. Just get that example. Ahana, this is what the example was. A factor of 18 and a factor of 24. The requirement of a square tile was a perfect example of highest common factor. Alright. So Ahana, if you have a room with dimension 5 by 7, if you have a room with dimension 5 and 7 and you want to power it with a square tile, then only one dimension would be there. That dimension would be HCF of 5 and 7, and HCF, there is no highest common factor of 5 and 7 other than 1. So you would have to put a square tile of dimension 1 only. Isn't it? You'll have to put a square tile of dimension 1 only, see? This was it then, isn't it? 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, huh? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Is it okay now? So don't worry, just we have started. See, I know there has been such a problem with HCF and LCM, and we just ignored it, and they just utilized this problem. Okay. So now, first important part is how to find LCM and HCF. All right. First method is factorization. First method is factorization. Suppose you are given two numbers. A is 2 की power 3, 3 की power 2, 5 की power 3, and your number B is 2 की power 2 and 3 की power 1 and 5 की power 4. All right. So now listen to me. Highest common factor would be the factors. The 2 and 3 and 5 both are factors with the low powers. So 2 की power 2, 2 की power 2 की power 2 into 3 की power 1 into 5 की power 3. So see, highest common factor would be minimum power of 2, 2 की power 2, minimum power of 3, 3 की power 1, and minimum power of 5, 5 की power 3. All right. And least common multiple would be, LCM would be higher power. So it would be 2 की power 3 into 3 की power 2 into 5 की power 4. All right. So it would be the higher power. So first way is this way. So see, higher power, and higher power. Kindly note it down. Kindly note it down. Have you written it? Have you written it, guys? Suppose you have written it. Great. So suppose over here only, two more factors. This is 11 की power 1 and this is 13 की power 2 comes. Then what is highest common factor? The minimum power. So you realize minimum power. So now the upper number does not have 13 and the lower number does not have 11. So can I write this as 13 की power 0 and this is 11 की power 0? Because 13 की power 0 would be 1 and 11 की power 0 would be 1. Now listen, what is highest common factor into the minimum power of 11 is 11 की power 0 and 13 is 13 की power 0. So definitely highest common factor would remain like that. But the least common multiple, the bigger powers would come into play. Least common multiple would be 11 की power 1 into 13 की power 2. So I'm writing for your sake 11 की power 0 into 13 की power 0. So that is my invention of putting these numbers so that there is no confusion. Isn't it? Common factor means it has to be common in both the numbers. Is it clear now, guys? All right, Abdul. All right. Sadhana, you're doing so well. Good. Great, Sadhana. Good. Just my good. Got my point? Hey, Rahul, good here. Good, Rahul. Clear? Second thing, second way of finding. Now let's talk about LCM and HCF. Okay. Now HCF. How to find HCF? How to find HCF? Can you write it down? Yeah, a lot of ways to find it. I mean, say what is HCF of 60 and 102 and wait, I'm making a mistake. HCF of 63 and 105 and 210. So if you remember in your classes, you used to do this 63 divided by 105. So 63 here, and this is 2, and this is 142 and 63. At the end, I realize you have to find HCF. So you keep on bringing this 42 here, isn't it? And this 42 generally goes with what this goes. So 21 is the HCF. So we write HCF of 63 and 105 is 21. Then 21 you try dividing it by 210, so it goes exactly by 210. So definitely HCF of 63, 105 and 210 is 21. One way of writing. Write it quickly, let's see. Isn't it? That is what we used to do. That is exactly what we used to do. I hope you remember it. Jack, I don't know why you're asking me this question. Why? Tell me how long we will be able to watch videos on the app. Jack, we want to you guys to come to the classes. We are bound. We cannot help it. We have been sitting in front of this laptop for 10 hours a day. Think of what it has done to our eyes. Think of the family life that we guys are living. We rather love that you guys are present in the classrooms or maybe, at the centers. Shelsha 11 and 13 because see Shelsha here Ankita just wait a minute. Huh? Why see I said that two powers came in. Huh? These were two powers. One number A had 11 की power 1 and another number B had 13 की power 2. And HCF was the lower powers and LCM was the higher powers. Now where is the lower power? 11 की power 1 is there, but in B there is no power of 11, so you would put 11 की power 0 only. And in A there was no 13 की power, you will put 13 की power 0 only. That is the reason there won't be any confusion. Now you know that lower power is 11 की power 0 and 13 की power 0, higher power is 11 की power 1 and 13 की power 2. Right? So I hope Ankita, Selsha, this thing is clear now. See, Manisha, thank you so much. So we also want to come back to the centers and all that stuff, but you understand we are bound by these rules, Jack. I'm so sorry. Manish, 2 की power 3 was given to you, yaar man. 2 की power 3, out of 2 की power 3 and 2 की power 2, which one is the highest? 2 की power 3 is the highest, so I took in LCM higher power. LCM we take high powers, okay? And HCF we take low powers. That is what I wanted to tell you. Is this method clear? This method of, see, if you are stuck up, at least you have a basic method to find HCF here, isn't it? Now I can, if you are clear with this, I can change it. Now listen, from today onwards, you won't do this method, okay? Sir, why did you write it? Because I wanted you to revise it. Now listen, HCF of A, B and C is actually equal to HCF of A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Okay, so keep on minusing. What do you do is listen, HCF of 63, 105 and 102. So when you minus, remember any of these quantities should not be equal to 0, should not be equal to 0 and should not be a negative. So remain 63 over here, write 105 minus 63 and 210 minus 105. So what did I do? This minus 105 minus this and this minus this. So 63 remains. So it would be HCF of 63 and this gives you 42 and this gives you 105. Alright, again minus. So now you minus this from this and this from this. Okay, so it would be HCF of, it would be 63 minus 42. 42 remains and 105 minus 63. What do you get? HCF of 21, 42 and 42 again. Now what would you do? You would do this minus this and this minus this. So it is HCF of 21, 21 and 21. When you get all three numbers to be same, that is the HCF. So we do this method in paper generally. So we write it, keep on minusing till you get a unique number. Keep on minusing till you get a unique number. So see, so beautiful. In division also you were doing the same thing, you were minusing only, isn't it? So this is, if you are an engineer, you know this HCF converges. It converges to, numbers converge to their HCF. Guys? Isn't it? No, Abdul, you're most... yeah, so I think it is really good that you attend these classes here. Jack, I don't know, yaar. Jack, you're asking a wrong person this question, that this app would be shut down. No, the app won't be shut down if the syllabus is done, yaar. We, ALS, you might not know, I don't know how much you know about ALS. ALS is number 1 in India. We just cannot just shut down anything, guys. It would remain over there. You would always be our students, alright? So don't worry. There are so many students over here, those who are my old students. Does not matter to us. Now, this is better, I think, guys, this minusing step. So somebody send me my class, huh? Kashish, thank you so much, man. Huh? Oh wow, that's good. I'm looking good, huh? Oh, good. So no, Ahil, I don't want to do one more minusing because I don't want to make a 0 over here. We won't be making 0 over here. Be smart in minusing, okay? That's the reason we say be very smart when you're minusing. You don't need to make a 0, you don't need to make a negative number. Or you could have done, listen, 63 is what? Sir, 7 into 3 square. Isn't it? 105 is what? I hope, guys, they are multiples of 3. It is visible, they are multiples of 7, isn't it? So I think you realize that 3 is there, 35 is there, and 7 is there, isn't it? Huh? And then 210, 2 more would come, 2 की power 1, 3 की power 1, 5 की power 1 and 7 की power 1. Huh? Now what is HCF? HCF is the lower powers. So there is no 2 over there. So if you want to balance it, you can write 2 की power 0 here, you want to write 2 की power 0 and 5 की power 0 over here. Now this is a balancing act. So you realize this is, sir, 2 की power 0 into 3 की power, guys, 3 की power, 3 is everywhere. So 3 की power 1 and 5 की power 0 and guys, 7 की power 1. HCF is 21. Clear? Factorization. Hey, thank you so much. Huh? Here, order of subtraction, it's up to you. See, it is, see guys, don't worry about order of subtraction, right? You could have done, listen, you could have done, what I did was I retained the minimum number. So I retained 63 and I minus 105, 105 minus 63 and 210 minus 105. So I got these three numbers. Listen, I got 63, I got 42, I got 105. So I retained the minimum number. So I retained 42, I say 63 minus 42 and 105 minus 63. So order is up to you. Okay, so don't worry about the order. There is no order. Keep on minusing. The issue is you should not be making zero or a negative number. Just keep this thing in mind. There is no order otherwise. Okay. Tell me. Yeah, see, I have to, no, that's good, Manisha. See, listen, guys, Ashwarya, generally I leave it, yeah. You leave the smallest one. It's your choice. Okay. You should not have left it. You should have done, you could have done 102 minus 63 or something. Hardly a problem, right? We have 105 minus 63. We have 210 minus 105. So you could have done 210 minus 63. But we want a small number. So 63 should be retained. I think this minimum number should be retained. It would make it easier. Yeah, don't worry. Try it once again. Try it at your own discretion. Yeah, just don't bother yourself too much. All right. So I hope Himanshi, I hope things are clear now. So rather than me repeating, kindly do it, guys. Come on, do it. Find HCF of. Come on. Find HCF of 48. Come on, do it now. 48, 64, 72. 64 and 72. Come on, do it. Give me the HCF of these numbers. Don't ask me questions. Solve me a question. Right? Let's see. See, it's so easy. Just keep it like this. 48, let it be here. 64 minus 48. So I'm doing it. 64 minus 48 and 72 minus 64. It is 48 and 16 and 8. And immediately after first step, you know what is your answer. I know what is my answer. My answer is 8. Minus again. 48 minus 16 and 16 minus 8. So 48 minus 16. What would you get? 48 minus 10 would be 38. Minus 6 would be what? Guys, it is 32. 8 and 8, and 32 also has a factor 8, so definitely it would subsequently lead to 8 only. So HCF is 8. So simple. See, Parul, thank you so much. Arya, thank you so much, guys. Ashura, I hope now this is clear. See, everyone is giving me answer as 8, isn't it? See, easy. Otherwise also, if you would do this, guys, if you would do this 48, 64, what are you doing? Aren't you minusing it here? Come on, you're doing the same process. You're doing the same process, isn't it? Now 16 and 72 is left, so it does not go, so definitely it won't go. So how would it go? 64 and 8 would be your answer. See, 8 is the answer otherwise also. You were doing minusing while dividing also, so I'm doing the same thing. Alright, I'm doing the same thing. So what's tough in it? Is it okay? All of you? All good, guys, Good, Mr. Dhar, you're doing so well. Hey Sadhna, don't be sorry, yaar. Guys, don't be sorry, it's alright. You have to make mistakes to understand it, Good. All of you doing good. Wonderful. See? So now you have become perfect on HCF, Ahana, is it okay? We are going to talk, don't worry, guys. I'm talking, don't worry, prime numbers and all that stuff we are going to do, don't worry. Then, how to find LCM? I said find LCM of 32, 36, 45. How would you do that? So one way is, to make a antenna. You remember that? Antenna, So go with 2, this is 16, this is 18 and this is 45. Let 45 remain. Go with 2 and this is 8 and this is 9 and this is 45, isn't it? Let's go with 9. So it is 8 and 1 and 5. So what would be LCM? Your LCM would be 2 into 2 into 9 into 8 into 5, guys? This is 36 into 40, 36 into 40. So 36 4s are 72, 1440. Easy, guys. That's it. Make an antenna. LCM. Make an antenna. And you don't, when you make an antenna for LCM, now please pay attention, all of you. When you make an antenna, you don't need the only prime factor should be there. It's alright, no problem. It should got to go. You have to find a number that got to go. It has to be common. Or you can say 32 is what, sir? 2 ki power 5. And what is 36? 36 is 4 into 9. 2 ki power 2 into 3 ki power 2, And what is 45, sir? 45 is 9 into 5. So definitely, sir, it is 3 ki power 2 into 5 ki power 1. Now what is the highest power? Highest power of 2 is 2 ki power 5. Yes, highest power. Listen, what is the highest power? 2 ki power 5 is highest among all the 2 powers. 3 ki power highest is what? Sir, 3 ki power highest is 3 ki power 2. Isn't it? And what is 5 ki power highest? 5 ki power highest is this. So into 3 ki power 2 into 5 ki power 1. Oh, this gives you the same thing. See this? See, 2 ki power 5. Yes, it is 9 and 5. Yes, answer is same. But you got to find LCM and HCF in the paper. That's very true. You just cannot ignore it. Is it clear now, guys? Huh? You can say a yes or a no, guys. Huh? It would be so good for me. Anyone? Huh? Anyone? Yeah, good, guys. You need to reply, because I cannot just keep on going if I teach the way people teach history. Remember? Huh? Simran, which example do you want? Simta Singh, which example do you want? We will talk about prime numbers and all other things. Simta Singh, which example do you want? Ritik, thanks, yaar. You're the only guy who just, generally says yes sir, no sir. Huh? Ritik, thank you. Guys, can I proceed? Meenakshi, thank you. Thank you, Anurag. Yadvi, thank you. Mr. Dhar, thank you so much. Deepti, great, guys. So you guys are doing fantastic, huh? Great, good. So now we know LCM and HCF. Now before going to anything, now please, some important points. You hate me to the core, but this is the thing that comes in your paper, the things that I'm going to write now. Listen, point 1. When HCF of two numbers is 1, they are called co-prime numbers. When HCF of two numbers is 1, they are called co-prime numbers. Write it. Co-prime numbers. Thank you so much, Subranil. Thank you. Makes my day. Thanks a lot. HCF, don't worry, yaar. HCF we have done, Smita Singh, don't worry, huh? So when HCF of two numbers is 1, they are called co-prime numbers. So for example, 3 and 5, their HCF is 1. So we can say 3 and 5 are co-prime. Isn't it? 100, 101. Their highest common factor is 1, isn't it? HCF is 1. They are co-prime numbers. So any two consecutive numbers are co-prime numbers. You can pick any even number, 7 and 8. Isn't it? HCF 1, 7 and 3 and 16, HCF 1. So they are co-prime numbers. Isn't it? Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? What are co-prime numbers? As a number which have their HCF is 1, they are called your co-prime numbers. Huh? Now, guys, just if you have been my previous student also, then also pay attention. Okay, point 2. Now listen, if HCF of A and B is K. Now all of you pay attention. If the highest common factor of two numbers A and B is K, then A would be a multiple of K, B would also be a multiple of K. So A would be K times X, B would be K times Y, but X and Y would be co-prime. Sir, what do you mean by this? So first of all, write it. This is the most important statement I'm making for CSAT. Most important statement. If you say, sir, one important aspect in HCF LCM, so I said this is the most important aspect I'm making for your CSAT, HCF and LCM. You may think, sir, is it that important? I'll say, yes, let's talk about it. So I said, listen to me. I'm putting it in red. So highest common factor of 18 and 24 is actually equal to 6. And you realize, actually, now please pay attention. 18 is what? 6 times 3. And 24 is what? 6 times 4. So you realize, what is HCF of 3 and 4? Sir, it is 1. Am I right? Counter example. I say HCF of 18 and 24 is 3. If I say this, so 18 is what? 3 times 6. 24 is what? 3 times 8. And you realize this is X, this is Y. You realize HCF, highest common factor of 6 and 8 is not 1. So this is a wrong thing. When you take highest common factor common, there is no other common factor. When the highest common factor is taken common. That is what I mean to say. Come on, tell me now. Isn't it a wonderful statement that I have made? And it would give you immense blessings. Yes, two consecutive numbers are always co-prime, Miss Nautiyal. Absolutely right. See the example and a counter example. When I said HCF is 6, yes, left was 3 and 4 and HCF was 3 and 4 is 1. So this was right. If I say HCF is 3, it is a wrong statement because the things left after taking 3 common were 6 and 8 and HCF of 6 and 8 is not 1. HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. Come on. A knowledgeable thing, huh? I'm telling you, the problem with this is, Sadhana, Dipti, really believe me, the problem is nobody has taught you HCF and LCM like this. I'm surprised nobody knows what is HCF, what is LCM. And they're asking very simple, stupid questions, but students are not able to answer. And you want to become IS officers, IPS officers, you don't know about HCF and LCM. And that is what happens in UPSC. It happens that they have started discarding, people with bad aptitude. And I think we are not doing anything tough. We are just thinking and logically interpreting. If a illiterate knows what is HCF and what is LCM, why won't you guys know it? Isn't it? So guys, I hope things are clearer now, huh? Thank you so much, Rukaya. Thank you. Guys, let me know. This is something I want that you guys should tell me. Is it okay? Babalog, tell me, is it okay? It depends. Can two composite be prime, Mr. JP? It is Mr. or Miss JP? I don't know. Right? See, two composite numbers can be co-prime, cannot be co-prime. Now I can write two composite numbers like 35, है ना? So 5 and 7 का multiple, and then I write 143. So they are co-prime. Why? 35 is a multiple of 5 and 7, and 143 is 11 and 13. So now I think they are co-prime, isn't it? There is no common multiple. Somebody asked a beautiful question actually. That was really good. Two composite numbers be co-prime. Yes, they can be co-prime. Absolutely right. Great. So most of you are getting it now. Oh, good, yaar. Thanks, yaar. Diksha, what do you want to write, yaar? Here, see, listen. LCM I cannot repeat now. HCF I'm writing. HCF, see, listen. I say if HCF of A and B is K, then A would be a multiple of K, B would be a multiple of K. So A is K times X, B is K times Y, provided that now X and Y do not have any other factor. So I proved it by saying HCF of 18 and 24 was 6. So 18 is 6 times 3, 24 is 6 times 4, and there is no common factor between 3 and 4. Similarly, I said if the HCF was 3, so it was 3 times 6, 3 times 8, but the common factor of 6 and 8 is not 1. So this was not a true statement. You have to understand that if you take highest common factor common from the given two numbers, they would be left with no other common factor. Isn't it? Other than 1. So is it clear, guys? Nah, come on, yaar. Huh? Baba Neeraj, what are you saying? Huh? Diksha, I don't need to write, yaar. Just don't worry. So statement number 2 is okay. I think what was 1? I forgot 1. Co-prime numbers, right? So co-prime numbers is there. Then Now third. I'm coming to something that has been asked in your paper. He said question. Third, I'm giving you in question form. He says number of ways. Somebody sent me this question, and thank you so much. Number of ways 600 can be written as product of two numbers. Number of ways 600 can be written as product of two numbers. Huh? And then I can change this question to number of ways 600 can be written as product of two numbers that are co-prime to each other. So I put one more form. This has come in CSAT, right? This may be the next question they may give you. Somebody sent me this question, and thank you so much. That was brilliant from your side, right? Because sometimes we miss it. Yeah, great, Shubhranil. Thanks, man. I think you genuinely send good questions, man. Thank you so much. Hey, Dehradun Center, give me answer, huh? Manisha, Kshitij, let's see. I'm not aware of it, Namika, to be very frank to you. Give me answer. Now, he says number of ways 600 can be written as product of two numbers. Jashna, very nice. Ritik, good. But you need to know what's happening. Now, what's happening, guys? Listen to me. What's happening? You understand it's such a silly question. 600. 600. Number of ways product of two factors. 1 into 600. 600. Sir, 2 into 300. 600. Sir, 4 into 150. 600. Is, sir, 8 into 75. And this list goes on and on and on. You realize 600 is also, sir, 3 into 200. Are you not getting what you're doing? Guys, are you getting what you're doing? I'm getting something out of it. I'm getting a pure knowledge thing out of it. 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor of 600 and so on, right? Don't you think what we are doing is, we are combining the factors. So listen, combining the factors. Listen, which means now I would write 600k factors. 600k factors are 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 6 is a factor, 8 is a factor, 10 is a factor. And to the other side, I'm writing 600 is a factor, 300 is a factor, 200 is a factor, 150 is a factor. Getting it, guys? Or still not getting it? Are you getting it now? What we were doing? So what's happening now? Please, the red line. One extreme and the another extreme. Sir, 1 into 6, sir, one way. Sir, 2 into 300, sir, one more way. Sir, 3 into 200, third way. Sir, 4 into 150, fourth way. Sir, 5 into 120, fifth way. Don't you get it? Number of ways would actually be, now listen to me, number of ways would actually be equal to number of factors of 600 upon 2. Simple. Number of factors of 600 upon 2. Number of factors upon 2. So what is number of factors of 600? Guys, 600 is 6 into 10 into 10, which is 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 5, which is actually 2 की power 3, 3 की power 1 and 5 की power 2. So how many number of factors? Number of factors are powers. Powers mein you need to add 1, 1 and 1 and multiply. So how many number of factors? 3 plus 1, 1 plus 1 and 2 plus 1. So 4 into 2 into 3, 24 factors. So number of ways would be 24 by 2, 12 ways in which 600 can be written as product of 2 factors. Simple. Tell me what is tough. And this is coming in your CSAT. What shall we do? Tell me what shall we teach, huh? You know number of factors and you are writing product of 2 numbers. So why won't you directly write upon 2 and get the answer? Huh? Now is it okay, guys? You need to tell me, huh? 12. See, most of you are giving me answer. See, Jashna, Rukaya, I hope now you got your mistake. I think it is 12. Ritik, is it okay now? Got it, guys? Isn't it? This is easy. Anyone from centers, guys? I'm sorry. Oh, okay, good. Abdul, Inayat, what do you say? Yeah, number of ways, listen, you just need to find the number of ways. Listen, number of factors you found. Number of factors 24. So number of ways in which 600 is written as product of 2 factors. Number of factors upon 2. 24 upon 2, which is 12. That's it. Is it clear, guys? Let me know. AR Benson, we have done it in class number 1. Muhammad Iqbal Dar, did you not attend the class number 1? Number of factors, prime factorization, prime numbers we discussed. Class number 1 we have discussed it. If you are present in class 1, if you have not missed class 1, we have done number of factors. What we do, we factorize, and once we factorize, in the powers we add 1 1 and multiply. We have done it in class 1. Come on, guys. Somebody is getting hungry, huh? Khushbu. No, coprime we are going to discuss. And how many of them are going to be coprime? We are going to discuss that as well. Benson, nothing, beta. We have done it in class 1. This was done in class 1. That's the reason, if you have not attended class 1, please attend it. Alright, that was a real important class 1. Mr. Dhar, if you have not attended it, kindly attend class 1. Alright, so number of factors. Now again, the second part. Number of ways, 600 written as product of 2 numbers. Number of ways 600 written as product of 2 numbers which are coprime to each other. Okay, which are coprime to each other. Now please pay attention on this one. Again, 600 broken into prime factors. It is 2 की power 3, 3 की power 1, 5 की power 2. First break them into prime numbers, right? Then how many prime numbers are involved? Sir, there are 3 prime numbers involved. Okay, so number of prime numbers involved are, so I say how many prime numbers are involved? Prime numbers in 600. Prime numbers in 600 are how many? 3. So your answer would be 2 की power 3 minus 1, which is 2 की power 2, which is equal to 4. So there are 4 ways in which 600 can be written as product of 2 numbers that are coprime to each other. So what is the formula for that case? It is 2 की power n minus 1, where what is n? N is number of prime numbers for 600. Okay, n is number of prime numbers for 600. So those are, see, 600 is 1 into 600 one way. 600 is 3 into 200. See, 1 and 600 are coprime. 3 and 200 are coprime, isn't it? Guys, 5 into what else? Not 5 into what else? Tell me. I think 8 would be there. 8 into, so it is 8 600 upon 8 is what, guys? Tell me. It is 300 upon 2 4. It is 75. 8 into 75 coprime. And there would be one more way, guys. Tell me. One more way. Isn't it? One more way. Tell me. 1 into 600 co-prime, 3 into 200 co-prime, 8 into 75 co-prime, 8 and 70 are co-prime. One more would be there. One more would be there. Tell me which one. Anyone?